We're here at Pack Expo in Chicago, and what we have here, this conveyor is set up actually for bottles. And we have cans on here too, but it's more set up for bottles. So what we have is actually, it looks like 12-inch air knives on the side that actually strips the water off of the bottle. So it goes this direction, strips it down to the bottom, blows out under the cap, and in front of it here, we actually are blowing off the top so that we can coat it for the top if they're putting like a laser coating on it. So that's kind of what we're looking at here. We got a manifold down here that hooks the 4 air knives together that makes this all work. And then we adjust the knives for bottles, for instance. We want to get as close to that bottle as we can so that the knife can strip it off right down to the last little bit of sheen on it. Over here, we have the RB500 blower with a 7.5 horsepower motor on it, which would crank this system up to about 55, 65 inches of water pressure, which is what it takes to strip the water off of these cans and bottles as they go through. By the time it goes through the 1, 2, 3, 4 air knives, the bottle will be nice and shiny, and that's what they're kind of looking for, is to make it nice and shiny so that dust doesn't stick to it when it's wet. So that when it's in the 7-Eleven stores or whatever, it's shinier than the Pepsis and everything else. So that's kind of what we have here. So hopefully that helps.